Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how I'm buying stocks on a Robinhood app. But before we get into it, hit this red button down below to subscribe for more content like this. Now let's open up the app and let's look at it. So the first thing that you can see is your main screen. So you can see mine. Over here you can see stocks that you purchased, and below that you can see your list of the stocks that you are following. Over here you can see recurring investments if you have any. I will show you how to set it up. And yeah, that's it for the beginning. As you can see, the entire screen is black, and that's just because right now when we are buying, we are in after market hours, so it's going to be black. Once the market opens, entire screen will be white and you will see all numbers moving up and down. So first thing you need to check is how much buying power you have. So over here you open up buying power and we can see that we got $0 right now. So we will just deposit some money in there. So let's deposit $1,000 and submit. Alright, so we just deposited $1,000, and because I'm trading with Robinhood daily, I get instant money right away, even though they didn't receive the money yet. But it's only up to $1,000, and because I'm investing daily $30 into stocks, then that's why I can use only 970 right now. So that's done. Okay, so right now we have $970 of a buying power that we can use. So let's look at the stocks we want to buy. So first, I will show you what options you have. So you click on the stocks that you are interested in. Right now, we open up a Tesla. Tesla is trading at $823.80 right now. So you click trade. If you want to, underneath you got all the information about it, but I know what I'm buying, so I go trade. And first option, you got trade option. As a beginner investor, you don't even want to touch that option. I might do later video on it, but right now you don't want to do it. And then you got sell and buy. We have some shares, that's why I have an option to sell. But if you are doing your first trade, you won't have that option. You will be only able to buy. Once you click buy, then up here in the right corner, if you click the shares, then it shows you all the options that you have up there. So you can either buy in dollars, you can buy in shares, and then you have conditional orders. So the first two are great because let's say you are buying a big stock like Amazon, Tesla, or Google, and you don't really have the money to buy entire share, so you can buy only portion of it. Or let's say you only want to invest certain amount of money, so that's why those two options are great. For the conditional orders, you have recurring investment. That's what I have set up for ETF funds. So I invest, if you click on it, you can see you can invest daily, weekly, bi-weekly, which is every second week, or monthly. I'm investing daily, and I'm investing $30 in ETFs right now. Next one is a limit order. That's pretty much if let's say the share is at whatever 800 right now, 830. Let's say I set it up that I want to buy the share for 800. So once it hits 800, then the trade will execute and it will buy you the share. Then you have trailing stop order. That one, you set up a buy order a little bit above the price because you are expecting the price of a share to drop. But once it breaks over that price, then that's when it will execute and buy you the shares. Next one is a stop order. That one, you pretty much have a set price. Once it breaks that price, again, order will execute and you will buy the share. And the last one is a stop limit order, and that one, once it hits the stop price, it will set the limit price that you want to buy it for, and then you will buy the share, or it will automatically buy you the share. So for us right now, when we are talking about Tesla, I want to buy a Tesla, and because right now when you look back, you can see that I own 0.62 of a shares. So let's say I want to buy 0.38, so I have entire share of Tesla. So I go trade, I go buy, I'm in a shares, so over here I would click buy in shares, and then I go number of shares, so 0.38, which comes out to $313. I go review and swipe up to submit. Order received, and it will process, and this is the confirmation. So it will buy 0.30 of a shares of Tesla once the market opens. There's one thing that you don't see on this. If the price changes more than 5% before the market opens, so let's say it would go from 820 or 830, whatever it is, it would go to $1,000, the order wouldn't go through. One time I wanted to buy Tesla at 350, but overnight the price went to 430, and that order didn't go through, and I thought it should, but it didn't. So just keep that in mind. So okay, done. And now we go back, and over here, down here, you can see upcoming activity, so you can see that we are about to buy it. Now we have $641 left, so I want to buy some Airbnb shares right now, but right now it's trading at 169.50. So I go trade, and I will show you the limit order. I don't own any shares right now, so I click buy, and then over here I click on shares, and over here I want to set the limit order. So I set the limit order, and you set the price that you want to buy it at. So let's say I want to buy it at 160 per share, so $10 before what is it right now. I go continue, and over here you can select if you want market hours or extended market hours, which will give you little extra time before and after. So I go extended hours because I don't mind where it's gonna execute. And over here I can say it's good till Tuesday, so it's only 2 days. Tuesday, oh sorry, not 2 days, it's only good for, yeah, 2 days. Or I set it up to 90 days. So I want to set it up to 90 days because I don't really mind when it's gonna happen, but I just want it to happen. I go continue, and over here number of shares, let's say I want 4 shares. I set up 4 shares, I go review, and then I swipe up, and that's it. So 4 shares will cost me $640 once it executes. If the price keeps climbing up, this order doesn't go through, it has 90 days for it. If in 90 days it doesn't go through, the $640 will go back to my account, and I can buy something else with it, or I can cancel it anytime from now on. So done, and yeah, that's it. And now I'm back at my homepage. So that's how you buy stocks on Robinhood. It's pretty simple, and I think everyone can do it. So let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you with my next video. Take care. Red button below to subscribe for more videos like this. So
nope.
So hi everyone. Come on, that wasn't bad. What, you didn't like it? It can be better than that. It can be better than that.